Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Robinhood account full guide. Open the app and sign in, then tap your profile and choose verification. Read the on-screen instructions carefully, upload a clear government ID photo, capture a matching selfie, and confirm your personal details match your ID. Finish by linking a bank account or funding source if requested, and wait for the verification confirmation by email or notification. Gather your documents before starting to avoid delays. Use a passport, state ID, or driver license with clear edges and readable text. Place the ID on a flat surface in bright natural light and use the app camera to avoid glare or cropping. For the selfie, remove glasses and hats, center your face, and follow prompts to turn or blink if requested. Submit both images and double-check your name and date of birth match exactly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice air freshener you see here for a crisp ride while you manage finances. I dropped a link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check those out, and now let's get back to the video. If verification is delayed, don't panic. Most issues are fixable quickly. Retake any blurry ID or selfie images with brighter lighting and steady hands, and make sure all four corners of the ID are visible. If your name or address differs, upload supporting documents like a utility bill or passport. For bank linking, watch for micro-deposit amounts or use instant verification if available to speed up approval and start trading sooner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.